Move over, Robinhood and Webull. A bank is coming to eat your lunch. Hey everyone, this is Kevin the Apptrepreneur. Welcome to my channel. And you know that I have big proponents of fee-free apps for stock trading like Robinhood and Webull. We have shown my portfolios and how I've grown them over the years. I definitely love the fact that there are now easier ways for people to invest. I mean, granted, you can still lose a lot of money, and I tell people to be careful, and I also tell them in every video, including this one, that I'm not giving you financial advice. I will tell you what I am doing sometimes, but if you decide to do that and it ends up going bad, well, that's on you, and it's probably also on me, because if you saw me doing it, well, you know. But, and by the way, since we're on that topic, this week sucked. This week has sucked. This is what happens when we get into pissing wars with China and Iran, and I don't know. Hopefully it will bounce back. I mean, if it holds, I'm gonna keep buying stock personally. But you know, it's not fun losing $1,000 in a week. But anyway, so right now the big app is Robinhood. Robinhood is the one that everybody knows. And by the way, if you have not used Robinhood but want to get a free stock to invest, you can use my referral link below and you will get a free stock. It might even be a big one like a Microsoft or Facebook. You never know. But Robinhood has been the big one, and they're kind of the ones that started pushing other companies into doing this fee-free trading app thing. Shortly afterwards, we got things like Webull and Public. You can, by the way, use referral links for all of them and get free stocks below. Also, follow me on Public, because that's kind of like social media, except without the BS. And it also encourage other companies like Fidelity to drop the fee per transaction because they were losing too much business. So now even established companies like Fidelity do the fee-free stock trading. Well, apparently another company is coming in and they want to take on Robinhood because they want to compete with JP Morgan and Robinhood, and that is Citi. Yeah, Citibank, the credit card that is notoriously difficult to get because Citi basically doesn't want to give you credit unless you are also banking with them or using one of their products or paying a loan. Look, I'm not going to lie. Citi has good cards, and I would like to have one of them one day, and maybe the Costco card will be the one that they'll allow me to have. But for the most part, Citi kind of sucks as a credit card company because they just want you to use every single service that they're providing before they give you one, and I just don't like that very much. But they are going to be getting into no-fee stock trading, and that's what we're talking about today. So let's see what they are doing. Citigroup Incorporated will let U.S. retail customers bet on stocks. I love how they bet on stocks, because yeah, stocks are kind of gambling to a certain extent, without paying fees, as the bank tries to expand its wealth business in the face of fierce competition from Silicon Valley Ventures, discount brokerages, and big banking peers. The Wall Street giant will initially make the new offering, Citi Self Invest, available to checking account holders, so I don't qualify for this yet because I don't have a checking account with them, before later marketing it to more people, said David Poole, who heads the U.S. consumer wealth management business. The zero-fee deal applies to individual stocks and exchange-traded funds, but will later add other types of investments, such as mutual funds or options, he said. Chief Executive Officer Jane Fraser, who took over this year, has been retooling the bank's businesses tending wealth for a variety of customers, from investing novices to the ultra-rich. In January, the firm merged its wealth management arm and private bank into a new unit called Citi Global Wealth, to be led by Jim O'Donnell. With this latest offering, which won't require a minimum account size, that's probably not true, it will probably require at least $5, it's shoring up operations that cater to cost-conscious spectators whose numbers have been multiplying during the pandemic. Poole said, "We feel like the Self-Invest offering will really round us out. Citi Self-Invest is another key step to delivering that robust and intuitive full investment continuum. My stutter. The move may add to pressure on the likes of Robinhood Markets, the wildly popular trading app that soaked up customers last year and became their venue of choice for meme-driven buying sprees in the months since. Robinhood, which is preparing for a public stock listings of its own, and I might talk about that in a future video, and discount brokerages TD Ameritrade and Charles Schwab have all reported record volumes on their platforms as newcomers rushed in. While those firms and self-directed investment platforms at larger peers JP Morgan Chase & Co. and Bank of America Corp. are ahead of Citigroup and offering no-fee options, the firm's operations are already formidable. Businesses now bundled into Citi Global Wealth could have collectively produced about $6.6 billion in revenue in 2020, with roughly half of that coming from retail clients, Citigroup said in a presentation in April. To help newcomers, the bank is launching a learning center in tandem with Self-Invest. And by the way, I think that's a very, very good thing because people download Robinhood and Webull, preferably through people like me so they can get their free stocks. Just got to keep pushing that. And the thing about these apps is that they don't really tell people the pros and the cons and potential risks in investing. I mean, yes, you could buy a $55 stock in Coca-Cola, and it seems very unlikely that you will lose a lot of money on that. But one day, that Coke stock might be worth $5, and you've lost $50. So you've got to be, or you've lost, yeah. So was that $5? Yeah, I don't know. I don't even remember what number I said. So anyway, I'm going to leave that in. I'm not going to edit it out. You can all have a laugh about that one. So I think having a help option is definitely a good thing to do, where it's like, okay, look, here's what you do. This is what it's about. These are the pros. These are the cons. These are the risks. These are the potential rewards. This is how you want to react. This is how you probably don't want to react. I mean, I think that would be a good thing. So Poole continued, you have quite sophisticated and experienced self-directed clients. But for those clients that are novice and just starting out with investing, we want to make sure we have that investor learning center. So, there you go. And by the way, it is not surprising at all that Citi is first offering this to their clients who have checking accounts. Again, Citi would prefer that you have more than one service with them. So it makes sense that they're doing this. And so if you're a Citi client, now it's like, okay, you have a bank with us, you have a credit card with us, and now you can invest your stocks with us. And who knows, maybe this would be another way for people to get into Citi's good graces. Maybe if you have a Citi Self-Invest account when they make it available to the public, and you have $1,000 or $2,000 invested through them, maybe at that point it will open up opportunities for you to get some of those Citi credit cards a little bit easier because you're already using a product they have. So I kind of think this is a good thing. I mean, I would like a Citi credit card. I'm not going to try to get one for a while, and when I do, it'll probably be the Costco card. But this is like not terrible. I think the more services that can be available to consumers to buy stocks is a good thing. And I actually think that it going through a bank who might have a vested interest in kind of walking newcomers through the process and what the potential challenges might be is a very good thing, because in some ways Robinhood is like Uber in that regard. Like, Robinhood doesn't care that much if you're well informed about the risks of stock brokeraging or investing into things. They just kind of give you the app, they give you your free stock if you do it through someone's referral account, and then they kind of let you on their way. So in this regard, Citi might be good for the consumer. But I would like to know, what do you think about this? Would you get Citi Self-Invest? Or maybe you're a Citi customer and you've already gotten access to this. Maybe you can tell me what this is about. I will try to do a review of it when it is made available to me. But in the meantime, if it's available to you, would love to know what it's like. And you know where you can tell me. You can tell me in the comments below. You can also like, favorite, and share this video. Always helps with the algorithm. And as always, flame responsibly. Have a good one.